Watch Paper Peak, an exam special series with Salil.
CDR Punjab Royals versus the Revantas Mumbai Garuda. The match is ready, but we need to see the players. Hello and welcome back to the Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League powered by Thumbs Up. Your country, your place, लुधियाना में है सर. कैसा लग रहा है कि आपकी पंजाब की टीम तो सबको हराई जा रही है नॉन स्टॉप? इनफैक्ट अभी तक जो मैंने खिलाड़ी भी देखे दिल्ली के, दे ऑल सो वेल बिल्ट. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि कोई चट्टान के अगेंस्ट फाइटिंग चल रही है. द मैन विद द लॉन्ग बियर्ड एंड द लॉन्ग हेयर, बॉबी देओल जी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ओवर हियर. वेलकम डूड. इन लोगों के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कितनी मुश्किलें महसूस करनी पड़ती है टू रीच दिस स्टेज? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट द बॉडी बिल्डर्स यू जस्ट सॉ? इनके सर, लेकिन सलमान सर, आई लाइक टू आस्क यू, सबसे बड़ा साइज इनका है, लेकिन क्या ऑटोमेटिकली जीत जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ बिगेस्ट साइज?
नहीं सर, ये सबसे बड़ा साइज ही नहीं, इनका साइज तो बड़ा सबसे उनका है शायद, लेकिन सबसे रिप्ड ये है.
He just plays with his hair all the time. And then before I finish, look at his mooch. His mooch also grows 3 times faster than ours. Ranveer Singh, thank you so much for joining me.
My main man.
How should I say this? He's lived with the reputation of being this superstar for so many years. And then there's all this pressure also that does come with it, you know, because eventually people forget that he's an extremely hard-working person. He puts in a lot of effort, more than you and me combined. I mean, I think Salman Khan keeps it very simple, and that's why, sir, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for bringing me here now.
Hello and welcome to B4U. This is the first week of the year where a new film is releasing. So I'm excited because 2016 has started with a roll, and we start off with the best. Mr. Bachchan and Farhan Akhtar and Wazir. I know everyone's been blogging really well, so I'm really thankful, first of all. Thank you so much for coming here. If you want to tweet, it's very simple. Aviva Early Starters Initiative. You can hashtag and tweet away. It'll be nice to know that you're part of this entire event, and it'll be really nice. Maybe we can trend as well. Sachin sir, even for you, your brother was very influential. I played Azad Maidan now also, and every day we hear stories about, when your brother used to bring you across the field. So he would be more like your mentor, and then of course you had Ramakant Achrekar sir that came on later. So would you say that your brother was the one who showed you the path?
Yeah, without any doubt, it was my brother Ajit. And the reason I started playing cricket was because I wanted to become like my brother first. And then I started watching cricket matches, and India won the World Cup. I wanted to have the trophy in my hand as well, and I started chasing my dream from there on.
Where Sanjay and Sarita's wedding. Lovely little series here. I made sure we dressed up for the occasion. We'll go find out some more footage from all that you wanted to see about the wedding that you might have missed because you weren't part of the wedding, but now you will be. So let's go check it out. Sarita's mind was also utilized, or was it mother giving a surprise totally?
No, Sarita's brief to me was, I want a white and crystal contemporary look. And that was the one line she gave me.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Salil Acharya, and my co-host, the charming Tarana Raja, take great pleasure in welcoming you to the ICRA Annual Mutual Fund Awards 2009.
Thank you, Salil, for that very charming introduction.
And this year, the awards hold special significance. For the winners will be those who have proven their mettle not only in good times, but more importantly, during these turbulent times.